Vocabulary Quiz Set 8.16. Helpful hints, skip around, do the easy ones first, cross off answers as you go, and then you can always start with the back page if you need to. Okay, top half we have matching. Part 1, we have alias, distort, dumbfounded, extinct, inevitable, and relic. A, sure to happen. You cannot stop it from happening. Expected. B, an object from the past with historical value or interest. C, to give a false or misleading account of. To twist out of shape. D, no longer in existence, no longer active, or gone out of use. E, so amazed that one is unable to speak, confused. F, a fake name, especially as used to hide one's identity. Part 2, replenish, rummage, skimp, vandalism, burly, parody. G, to search through or investigate the contents of. H, on purpose and pointless destruction of property. I, big and strong, muscular. J, to save, be thrifty, cheap. K, to make fun of something by imitating it. L, to fill again, make good, replace. Part 2, fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have alias, burly, distorted, dumbfounded, extinct, inevitable, relics, replenish, rummaged, parody, skimped, vandalism. Number 1, my dad blank through his toolbox to find the screw. 2, there was a lot of blank at the mall after Halloween night, and it cost $2,500 to fix the damage. 3, when you are a spy, you need to use a blank to hide your identity. 4, my grandfather keeps old blank tools from ancient Egypt. 5, 20,000 years ago, the woolly mammoth became blank and was never to be seen again. 6, I blank out on the furniture and ended up buying used stuff from Facebook sale. 7, the chair looked blank after it fell from a 3-story window. 8, I have been told that I look blank when I stand next to my little sister. 9, I was blank when I found out that I scored a perfect on my math test. 10, each morning I blank my hamster's water. 11, after an entire season of football, it is blank that one of the players will become hurt. 12, Ellen DeGeneres created a blank at the presidential election using dogs as the characters.